Good morning students. Now I am teaching 10th class, first chapter real numbers, exercise 1.5 state syllabus mo AP. So first Roman, determine the value of the following. First one, log 5 base 25. Okay, so log 5 base 25. 25 how we can write 5 5 25. So that means 5 square, that is log 5 base 5 square. 5 power is how much? 1. Okay, here the formula is what? Log x power m base x power n is equal m by n. That is equal 1 by 2 into, here the base is 5, here the base is also same 5. So what is the formula? Log x power n base x power n. In these two number the base x is same. Okay, so that is 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5. So log of any number, its base also same, its value is how much more? 1. So that is 1 by 2 into 1. That is equal 1 by 2. Okay, ma. Next, log 3 base 81. So second one, ma, log 3 base 81. So 81, how you can write? 3 to the power of 4. 3 into 3, 9. 9 3 ja 27. 27 3 ja 81. So 81 we can write a prime factorization method is equal 3 power 4. So log 3 base 3 power 4. Here power is how much? 1. So here formula, which formula we use? Log x power m base x power n is equal m by m. That is equal 1 by 4 into log 3 base 3. So log of any number base are the same, its value is 1. That is 1 by 4 into 1. That is equal 1 by 4. Okay, next third one, log 1 by 16 base 2 more. So 16 how we can write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So 1 by 16 base 2 more. So here log 1 by 2 power 4 base 2. Okay, so here the formula is 1 by a power m. How we can write? A power minus m. Okay, so 1 by 2 to the power of 4 we can write as log 2 to the power of 4 base 2. Here the base 2 having there is no power, what the power 1. If any number having there is no power, what the common base now 1. So here which formula you can use? Log x power n base x power n is equal m by n. That is equal 4 by 1 into log 2 base 2. So log 2 base 2 value is how much? 1 minus 4 by 1. How much? Minus 4. Next one. Log 1 base 7. Log 1 base is anything. Its value is 0. So log 1 base 7. How much ma? 0. Okay ma. Next. Log root x base x. Log root x base x. Okay, square root x amount. Square root x means this third order is how much? 2. So this third order we can write in exponent form. That is log x power 1 by 2 base x. The base x there is no power, what the base? 1. So here which formula you can use? Log x power m base x power n is equal m by n. So that is 1 by 2 by 1 into log x base x. So log of any number base also same, its value is 1. That is 1 by 2 by 1. So any number is divided by 1 we get the same. That is its value is how much more? 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2. Next, log 512 base 2. Log 512 base 2. The 512 we can write in prime factorization method. Then we can get as 2 power 9. So log 2 power 9 base 2. Okay, here also same formula. Log x power m base x power n is equal m by n. That is equal n 9 by 1 into log 2 base 2. Log of any number base are the same, its value is 1. So that is 9 by 1 into 1 equal 9. Log 0.01 base 10. Okay, here log of number. What is the number? 0.01. After the point, how many decimals are there? 2 decimals. Okay, how many zeros in the denominator? 2 zeros. That is equal log 1 by 100 base 10. Okay, 0.01 mark. You can write in expanded form, or we can use the shortcut 0.01. We can write as 1 by 100. After the 0.2 decimals, we can write in the denominator having 2 zeros. Okay, so 100, how we can write 10 square? Log 1 by 10 square base 10. So here we can use the formula a power minus m is equal 1 by a power m. Okay, that is equal log 10 power minus 2 base 10. Okay, so here we can use the formula log x power m base x power n is equal m by n. Okay, so here we can write as minus 2 by 1 into log 10 base 10. Log of any number base of the same, its value is 1. So that is minus 2 by 1 into 1 is equal minus 2. Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Okay, so here log of number 8 by 27. 8 how we can write? 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 27 how we can write? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. So 8 how we can write? 2 cube. 27 you can write as 3 cube. So log 2 cube by 3 cube base 2 by 3. Here we can use the formula a power m by b power m is equal a by b whole power m. So is equal log 2 by 3 whole cube base 2 by 3 whole power 1. Here we can use the formula log x power m base x power n is equal m by n is equal 3 by 1 into log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. Log of any number base of the same, its value is 1. So 3 by 1 into 1 is equal 3. Next one. 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. Here the formula is a power m plus n. Observe here ma. 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. Okay, so a power m plus n is equal a power m into a power n. A power m plus n is equal a power m into a power n. 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2 we can write as 2 power 2 into 2 power log 3 base 2. Okay, now a power m plus n is equal a power m into a power n. Okay, 2 square how much? 4. Here we can use the formula a power log n base a is equal n to the power of log a base a. Okay, same here we can use that formula, that is 4 into 3 power log 2 base 2. Okay, log of any number base are the same, its value is 1. That is 4 into 3 power 1. So 4 into 3, 4 3 ja 12. Okay,